Getting subscribers on YouTube is one of the easiest things that you can do on the YouTube platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I get 500 subscribers in less than 24 hours. Yes, in less than 24 hours. It's not luck, but one simple strategy that helped me to get these subscribers. So make sure to stick with me to the end of this video, because if you leave before the video ends, you're going to miss out the big bonus that I'm about to show you in this video. Before you start, if this is your first time seeing me on the screen, then make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I bring out new videos like this. First thing that we're going to do on this simple trick is to head over to your YouTube homepage. So I'm going to record my phone and show you the exact steps that you can follow to do it, to get this free 500 subscribers that I'm talking about. So once you head over to your YouTube homepage, you head over to your search bar. You search for this particular channel. You're focusing on only one channel. This channel is actually going to help us to get these 500 subscribers that I'm talking about. So once you head over to your YouTube search button, you search for this channel called Prosperity X. Yes, Prosperity X is the channel that's going to help us to get these 500 subscribers that I'm talking about. So once you search for Prosperity X and you head over to their channel homepage, you're going to see a lot of YouTube shorts. So this channel actually focuses on short videos only. Yeah, they don't have long videos on their channel, so they focus on short videos only. And you go in for short videos with higher views. Yes. So let's take one of these videos and show you what you need to do about this. So first you click on this. I'm taking one of these videos to show you the exact strategy that I use. So once you click on this video, you're going to see a plus sign with circle around it. So you click on this, you're going to see collab. Yes, you're going to see collab. So you're actually going to click on the collab. Yes, once you click on the collab, you wait for it to load, and this is going to pop up on your screen. So you can choose to make it short or you can choose to make it long, but I advise you go for the long one. So you click on the 15 seconds for the video to go up to the end of the video needs to go to the end. So make sure to choose the long video, not 50 seconds. Yes. So once you are done, you click on next. Yes, you're going to click on next. Wait for it to load for a while, because it will take a while for it to load. Okay, so once it's finished processing, then this is what you're going to see on the screen. So with this, you're going to react to that particular video that I've chosen. So here is what you need to do. You try to behave as if you are reacting to this video. So you can choose to do like make your face in a funny way. So let me show you exactly what to do. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the recording button. Then as you are watching the video, we are reacting to it. Yes, as you are watching the video, you react with funny face, shocking faces and all this stuff. So see example of how I'm going to do it. Keep mute and do whatever you want to do, but make sure you show as if you are reacting. So once it is done, then you click on the check sign that you see right here. Then you're good to go. You click on next. You're going to wait for it to process the video for you. This is what you're going to see on your screen. So now what we are going to do is to post this video on our channel. Yes, so posting this video, you need to get the title of the video that you took. Yes, so you need to write the same title that you took from that channel. Yes, once you are done with everything, once you are done writing your title and everything, you hit on publish, then we are good to go. Now what you need to do is to leave your phone there for some few hours. You come back to this comment section and tell me that yes, what I taught you really worked. So if you want to get more than 500 subscribers, meaning you need to do at least 2 to 3 videos. If you want to hit your first 1,000 subscribers within some few hours or within at least 24 hours, then make sure to go in for 3 to 5 videos. Yes, try to post 3 to 5 videos. And I'm telling you right now that you're going to hit your first 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours. If you follow me to this stage, then I say thank you for watching. And if you find this video useful, then make sure to smash that subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I bring out new videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.